What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily fix input delay when gaming on Windows and lower your input lag. Input lag can ruin your gameplay experience, especially in competitive games where every millisecond counts. First, search for Device Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter. In your Device Manager, expand the Keyboard section. You will see a list of devices. Right-click on each one, choose Update Driver, and then click Search automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, go back and choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From there, install any other listed driver and see if it improves performance. Do this for all keyboard entries. Next, search for Control Panel in your Start menu and hit Enter. In your Control Panel, search for Keyboard in the search bar at the top right and open the keyboard settings. Here, you will find three sliders: Repeat Delay, Repeat Rate, and Cursor Blink Rate. Try adjusting these for better responsiveness. A good starting point is setting Repeat Delay closer to short and Cursor Blink Rate closer to fast. You can experiment with these to find what feels most responsive in your games. Another important tweak is disabling Enhanced Pointer Precision, which adds acceleration to your mouse movement. While this may be helpful in regular desktop use, it can cause inconsistent input in games. To disable it, go to your Settings, head to Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on Mouse. And then click Additional Mouse Settings. In the new window, go to the Pointer Options tab and uncheck Enhanced Pointer Precision. Click Apply and then OK. While you are in the settings, it's also worth enabling Game Mode. Head over to your Settings, head to Gaming, and then click on Game Mode. Make sure the toggle is turned on. This ensures that Windows optimizes system resources for gaming, reducing background tasks that could cause lag. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.